if you're new to our tribe and want to just learn more about coaching, you're intrigued by this conversation, then I want to invite you to join us for a live workshop. And in fact, I'm leading one tonight. You can go to healthcoachinstitute.com/workshop and join me for a live workshop where you're going to get to experience for yourself some bold, truth-telling coaching questions that I'm going to ask you to engage with. And this is going to be powerful for you if you experience them as a client. So you're going to get transformation on tonight's workshop, and you'll be able to take this into your interactions, your conversations, and your coaching sessions if you're already a coach.